As a leader, what's the main thing you would judge a candidate on when you're recruiting?
Cultural fit. I think it's the number one thing. There's normally a technical competence level that's required depending on what particular role we're looking for. But as soon as that's met, we shouldn't worry about that anymore. What we should be looking for is, are they the right fit for this organization? And part of that is around us being really clear on what are our core values. What do we hold dear, and what are we going to be intolerant of if you don't sort of live within that world. So that would be the thing that I'm always looking for is this person, do they have the same core values as what resonates as our core values as an organization? So I've been really clear with them in that space, and definitely hiring for cultural fit once you've got that minimum level of technical competence.